I do have a couple more Unix commands I want to show you, so I can just use the cat command. Tap cat primes.py, and it will actually list everything in there. And so it lists it real quick. You didn't get to see like the top of the program. Now we're just seeing the end of it. Instead of using cat to see everything, like that might be useful. Maybe we just want to see the first couple lines. And so we can use the head command. This will show us the first 10 lines. So I'm going to use escape period, head, escape period, will show me the first 10 lines of my primes command. Okay, I can do the same thing with the tail command and see the last 10 lines. So I'm going to put a little space so you can see what's going on. So that gives us the last 10 lines of the program. Okay, we can also give it an argument. Maybe we don't want to see 10 lines. Maybe we just want to see 5. So I can do head minus 5. Or maybe I want to see 20. So I can do head minus 20 lines, right? Okay, and you can do the same thing with tail as well. So you can just kind of look at, those are easy ways to look at what's in your program. Or more likely, if you have like a data file and you just want to see what's in the data file real quick, it's a real easy way to have a quick peek without like having to open a text editor to see what's in there.